Haley, you're going to 3rd grade. How does it feel?
Good.
Diggy, come and say hi to the camera real quick.
Hi.
Hey, where are you going, buddy?
School.
What grade are you going to?
Oh, 3rd grade?
No, what grade are you going to?
2nd grade.
Mijo.
1 grade.
Kindergarten.
Ew, watch out!
Ew, was that Dookie?
Oh, yeah.
Ew.
So dookie.
Oh, that's nasty. That's mean.
The dookie girl.
Stop saying that.